I can't see who's commenting, who's watching, if anybody. What's going on? What's going on? Oh well, I don't know what's going on. Oh, just before we even started. Hi James. I can't do today's challenge either. I can't get round my table. It's rather dark here today. Crap. Oh well, it looks as though there's only you here, James. Do you know you need to hop round the table? And we're like, I can't get round my table. So I'm just like, have a little hop on the spot on one leg. That will have to do. It will have to do. So here we go. Day 21. I'm going to be sad when this is all gone. Why is there a picture of Simon Cowell up on like the top? I'm sure it's Simon Cowell. I don't know, whoever you are, hello. Which one of meetings? Can you see? Can you see the dark bit on it? Move my stupid hat. No, it's not working. Ooh. What, Isaac? Yeah. It smells dark. Doesn't smell like milk chocolate. So will that be alright then, James, eh? Just doing it on the spot. Tony, hello! Hello! So I wish I could come and see you in our Adele. But soon. Oh, it's got bits in. Uh, 2 minutes now, guys. It tasted nice, that one. Without the bits, it would have been lovely. Them bits are no good for me, like. Oh. Right, so today's challenge, you've got to hop round your table on one leg. I can't get round my table. got the corners of my mouth are on fire. So I'm just gonna have to hop on the spot for you guys. There we go. Do, 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 do. Oh! Hand on the other leg. There we go. Go backwards, step forwards. So there you go, guys. My little hop. One more minute to go. I've hopped, James. Never mind on the spot. I've done it, look. Woo, 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 woo. And this leg. Like, yeah. Do, 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 do. Round, round, round. Do, 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 do. So there you go. I love a hop. You can't go around the table. I'd end up bloody killing myself. Oh, so, are you Adele? Today's one's lovely, by the way. Tastes nice. But I had a few little bits in mine. It's like a fruity creamy. I'd say a bit like raspberry flavour or something. It was very nice. Only got 4 more days to go. I'm gonna probably be sad May when this is finished. Like, I've been enjoying popping on every day, so you can see my beautiful face. Joking. So yeah. What am I gonna do when it's all over? I don't know. I don't know. There was one thing for sure, I won't be coming on and eating pods. No chance. No chance. I don't know. I'll think of something. Right, so I'm going to have to go, guys, because I've locked Isaac in the front room. Well, I haven't locked him in. I've just closed the door because he's got the telly on and it's quite loud. And he didn't want to come in. I have sauces at Elbow. I don't know. Then I could do a review every day. There's some new people I need to try. Stephen Dixon. I didn't know he had chocolate flavoured bloody sauces. Or shall I say chocolate innie sauces. Till last night. And I need to try Dan Reed as well. Because there's some of his that I want to try. So, but that'll be after Christmas now. Give them a break. Let them have some rest. So, yeah. Making whose Christmas present, Adele? Isaac's. You've already got his Christmas stuff? I think you can open the door if you want, mate. I'm taking you with me, guys. Let me open the door. Ooh. You've already got his Christmas stuff, Adele. What you like? Hi, Kevin. You've missed the silliness. Why? There he is, look. Say hello.
Hey.
Oh, yeah, forgot about that, Adele. Forgot about that. Oh, God, he wanted to finish the video off and it's all over and I'll just close it again. Right, guys. I'm gonna go now. Because I've ate me chocolate. I've done me little hop about like a crazy woman, psychotic woman that I am. And I've done me 2-minute burn. Aww. I know, yeah, I forgot to buy the weed after your birthday present and Christmas present. I feel shan. Oh, I'll have to buy him something later. And send him it down. Up even. God, I get shouted at all the time, don't James doesn't like it when I say that. Ah, I'm coming down to see ya. Adele, you mad, aren't you? I know, Adele, I've got presents here for that you need to come and get for the kids. I haven't wrapped them yet though. So you'll have to just give us a message. Let me know when you're popping down. With all this lockdown. Oh, everyone forgot it was his birthday. I didn't forget. I knew it was your birthday, James. I just forget, like, he's one person, do you know what I mean? 2 people but 1 person. I haven't, Adele, I need to go and buy more Christmas paper. I need to go and do my food shopping tomorrow. I'm absolutely dreading it. Me and him are Irish twins, we share the same birthday, but that doesn't make sense. What do you mean, 33 years apart?
Hi, James.
I don't understand that. If you share the same birthday and you're a twin, you'd be the same age, won't you? Eh? I don't get it. You know me. Say casual. Right, guys. That's it. Adele. Shout bye to Adele.
Bye, Dad.
Shout love ya.
Okay, Dad.
Love ya, Adele. What about James? Love you, James. Say bye to Tony.
Bye, Tony.
And shout bye, Nukes.
Bye,
I don't know whether you can hear him, but he's shouting you. He's saying bye to everybody. Right, thanks for watching, guys. Mwah.
Thanks for watching,
Look.
Tony.
Love you all. Mwah. Love you, James. See you tomorrow.
Yeah.